Well, thank you, Madam Speaker. We're shifting things up a bit here on final passage. Madam Speaker, this bill promises to keep children safe, or keep Washingtonians safe, or keep people safe. And we can mention statistics from national databases. But the problem in the bill, Madam Speaker, it's profound. It is foundational. You know, this bill will impair your right to keep and bear a firearm. And really, Madam Speaker, that's an irreconcilable problem. Our state constitution, as you know, I've said many times, but it bears repeating, is clearer than the federal constitution. Article 1, Section 24 is the standard in clarity and purpose about the reason to keep and bear arms. It doesn't say anything about a well-regulated militia, so there's not that confusion in there. It's very clear that the right for you to keep and bear a firearm is an individual right, and that by your exercise of that individual right, you make others safe. This is one of the reasons I love living in this state. Even though this state has the reputation for being politically progressive, it also has the reputation for being one of the best gun rights states in the country. And the beauty of Washington is that those two things go hand in hand. This bill will impair your right to keep and bear arms. And Madam Speaker, I want to shift now to this Bruin decision I talked about during one of the amendments we considered. This is a U.S. Supreme Court decision based on this New York State law, similar roughly to this proposal. And the U.S. Supreme Court said that states cannot put into effect state law that impairs or infringes your right to keep and bear arms. And that Bruin decision was unusual too, in that the U.S. Supreme Court instructed lower federal courts to go back and review any decisions they'd made recently that might have infringed or impaired gun rights and overturn them and reverse those state laws. So this law is almost certain, if passed, to get overturned by the federal courts. Gun ownership is about personal safety, Madam Speaker, and it's about the exercise of personal safety that makes all of us safe. And statistics and stories don't change that. Vote no on this bill.
Thank you. Additional remarks.